Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to set up margins at 1 inch or customize your margins to your needs. In doing this, we need to go to layout bar on your top screen, from where you need to go to margins, and then in this drop down you can see several options of your margins. 1 inch, all 1 inch here, and then narrow, like 0.5 inch on all sides. But we are going to go to custom margins so that you can customize it according to your needs. For example, we'll set everything at 1 inch, like top, bottom, left, and right. So for doing this, you can customize it and set it at 1 inch. Similar for the bottom, and then on your side, left side, you can do it 1 inch, and right side we'll do it 1 inch, and then hit OK. And then we now have 1 inch margin in all sides of your screen. So that's how you set up your margins and customize it according to your needs. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, please subscribe my channel.